What's up everybody? In this video, I'm challenging you to do 100 lunges every single day. Lunges are one of the best things that you can do for your body, and here's why. Number one, they help correct muscular imbalances. Number two, they actually activate your core. Number three, there are so many ways to vary the lunge that you can continually do them in different ways and your body will never plateau. Number four, they're actually pretty hard to screw up. So somebody doing a lunge with sort of poor technique is still probably going to get some benefit out of it. And lastly, the way that our joints move when we do a lunge has a direct correlation to how our joints need to move throughout our day. So lunges are going to make you a better walker, a better runner, a better stair climber, a better stander, a better sitter, and really the list just goes on. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Andrea Palen and this is Pilates for the People. I'm a Pilates instructor, I'm an exercise educator, and I am also a movement advocate. If you are all set, let's get moving. Woo! For our 100 lunges, we're going to be doing 5 different variations, and since we lunge one leg at a time, we'll be doing 50 lunges on the right and 50 lunges on the left. Let's go. So you're going to start with your feet hip distance apart. Make sure you've got some space behind you. Bend both knees a little and step one leg right back. Bend both knees, push to the front foot and step forward. So step the other leg back, bend both knees, push to the front foot to step forward. You're going to bend both knees, push front foot, step forward. Both knees bend, push front foot, step forward. Good. Bend both knees, push front foot. That's it. Okay, so this is number 6. We're going to be doing 20 of this variation here. Good. As you step back, you're going to have a bit more weight in your front foot. I want you to try and balance the weight between both the front and the back of the foot. Good. If your knees feel a little funny, try putting a little extra weight through the heel, okay? So when you step up, try putting a little extra weight through your heel. Good. We're almost done here. Step down and up and step back and up. We got one more on each side. Step down and up and step back and down and up. Do one more and hold. Hold here. Okay. So we've got the front knee bent. We have the back knee bent a little. Let's deepen this here by sinking more through your heel. You're going to hinge a little bit forward and push through your big toe. Push into the floor through your big toe. Arms out to the side, lunge with rotation. Turn towards the bent knee. Turn, the front arm goes down a little, the back arm goes up a little. Back to center. You're going to turn back to center. So we've got 10 of these. That was 2. Good. Try and keep your front knee bent. Yep. Keep turning towards the bent knee. We can exhale, turn. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn. Inhale, center. I think that was 6. Exhale, turn. Whoops, losing my balance here. Of course, I forgot to mention that lunges also challenge your balance, so they're going to strengthen your balance over time. We've got one more on this side here. Turn, back to center, and then step. Excellent. Okay, big step back with the other leg. Bend both knees. We'll deepen it by sinking through our front heel, hinging forward a little bit, and pushing your big toe into the floor. Arms to the side for balance. Let's turn towards the front leg. Front arm goes down, back arm goes up a little, and back. So we're going to exhale down and inhale back. Exhale down. This is 3. Good, that's it. And exhale down. If you find yourself really scrunching your toes, put more weight through your heel. Okay? Good. So we're going to turn and back. 4 more on this side. Exhale, turn and back. And exhale, turn and back. Twice more. We got our turn. 1 more to go. All right, we're at 40 here. Now step together. The next lunge we're gonna do is called the curtsy lunge. So the front foot is gonna stay with toes pointed forward. The back leg is gonna go back and over, so back and behind, step hip distance. So like a little curtsy and up. Little curtsy, there you go. And what this type of lunge does is that it really challenges the hip abductor muscles, the abductor muscles, and those are the gluteus medius and the gluteus minimus here. And these muscles tend to get a bit weak on a lot of us, and they also tend to be not balanced well from right to left. So you might be finding that one side is a little harder than the other. You can always double up on the hard side. Good, good. But with continued practice, they should start to even out in a bit of time. So keep going here. Okay, I totally lost count. I imagine that we probably have at least 3 more sets. Good, so we'll do 4 more after this. This is gonna be like, not actually the 100 lunge challenge, it's gonna be like the 110 lunge challenge. Good. Last 2. And 1 more time here. Good. Okay, next one, the flying lunge. So we're going back to hip distance apart here. You're gonna step one leg back behind you, bend the front leg. We'll deepen it by sinking into the heel. You're gonna push your big toe down, arms come out for balance. The front knee stays bent. You lean into that front leg and you lift the back leg and then step down. Now the front knee stays bent. It never locks to straight in either position with the leg lifted or down. That's it. So you're gonna lift. And I would like you to think about your pelvis, or the points of your pelvis, tipping over your thigh. Good, so as you come up, the points of your pelvis tip over your thigh. Good, keep going. Tip over your thigh. 4 to go, I think. 4. Good, I'm definitely giving you more than 100. So you can still say it's 100, not less than 100. Good. And twice more here. Good. Oh, 1 more time. You're gonna go forward and up, and then you can step right together. Step the other leg back. Let's deepen it by sinking through the heel. Press your big toe down into the floor. Arms out for balance. Here we go. Tipping the pelvis over. That front knee stays bent the whole time. It never locks to straight. If you want to add some breath, we could try exhaling as we lift, inhaling to return, exhale to lift, inhale to return, exhale to lift, inhale to return, exhale to lift, inhale to return. 3 to go. Exhale to lift, inhale to return. Remember that pelvis tipping over the leg. 1 more here. Beautiful, and you can step right together. Okay, this last one really challenges balance. Step back, sink heel, push big toe, lean forward, up to your flying lunge and hold. Flying lunge with rotation. Turn towards the bent knee, the standing leg. Good, and back to center. I want you to turn your whole body, your chest, your ribs, your pelvis, towards the standing leg side. That was 2. I'm not gonna miscount this one here. This is 3. Good. And this is so much work for all the muscles around our hips here. Yeah, it's amazing work for all the muscles around our hip, our glutes, our inner thighs. Of course, our quad is working too. The muscles that support the knee are working, the muscles that support the ankle, the feet are working. Okay, of course, I've lost count again. I think we got maybe 3 and 2. It's the problem with talking. Oh my gosh, 1 more time. This has to be 10 here. 10. Okay, and we've got 10 on the other side. So we're at 90 lunges here. You guys are almost there. You're doing amazing. Deepen it. Sink through the front heel. Push through the big toe. Lean forward. leg up, and you rotate towards the standing leg. And back. So that front arm can go down a little. The back arm can go up a little. That was 2. Good, and this is 3. Inhale to return. Exhale to rotate. Inhale to return. Remember that front leg. It can bend and straighten a little, but it never locks all the way to straight. That was 5. Okay, I'm starting to lose it here. 6. Back to center. 7. Good. Inhale back to center. 8. Good. Sink more through your heel. Push, push, push. 2 more. Turn. And back. Whew. 1 more. Turn, 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 turn. Oh my God. Come all the way. Up. Wow, you guys did so amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me. 100 lunges, and I'm sure a few bonus in there. So if you liked this, video, I think you're probably gonna like this one, and also maybe this one. If you can hit the thumbs up button, that would be amazing. And if you want to be friends, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.